What's up guys? So if you've been unable to get the Netflix app just as it is available over here on my LG Smart TV, and even when you go over to the App Store, that is the LG App Store, to search and download the app, you still don't find it as one of the available apps on the App Store of your LG Smart TV just as it is over here on my Smart TV, then in this video I will show you one simple trick that I've used to get the Netflix app into my LG Smart TV, and that is why you can actually see it over here. And basically, to fix this issue, what you want to do is to go ahead and change the service location of your LG Smart TV. So go over to the settings of your LG Smart TV from the top over here, click on the settings icon just like so. Now at this point you want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here, click on it as well. Now you want to scroll down to general, click on general, and then just scroll over to system settings over here, click on it. Now go ahead and click on location, and from location you want to come down to LG service country, click on it, and then you want to go ahead and change your LG service country to any country that Netflix is actually allowed in. So you can go ahead and change it to the US, Canada, but first things first, you want to go ahead and uncheck the set automatically. In my case, I'll go ahead and choose South Africa because I am actually in West Africa and Netflix is currently being allowed in South Africa. So I'll go ahead and select South Africa. Now you want to go ahead and click on yes, and automatically your LG Smart TV will turn on and restart itself, and this time it is going to come with the Netflix app. So now you can go ahead and try downloading the Netflix app either from the App Store, and sometimes you might actually find it as one of the apps on the list of apps on your LG Smart TV. So basically, that is how to install the Netflix app on your LG Smart TV if it is not available on your country. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.